I'm Musketeers. For a bonus spring break project, I'm going to be teaching you how to make friendship bracelets. Friendship bracelets are traditionally made with a string called embroidery floss. If you picked up a friendship bracelet kit at school, it had a few different colors of floss as well as a safety pin. If you are at home, you can either order this online, it's really inexpensive, or you can also use any yarn that you might have at home. We're going to be using 4 colors. You're also going to need either one piece of tape to tape your thread down to the table, or you can use a safety pin and put the pin through your either shoelace or your pant leg and attach it to there so the string stays in place when you're trying to make your bracelet. So follow along and learn how to make a friendship bracelet. Okay, so I have cut 4 colors of string. I have a black, a blue, a red, and a yellow. You can choose any 4 colors you like. And my strings are pretty long. I usually like to measure from my finger all the way up to the top of my shoulder. And that's how much string you're gonna need. So I'm gonna put my 4 strings together. I'm gonna tie them in a knot at the top. And then I'm going to glue them down to the table so they stay in place. If you picked up a friendship bracelet kit at school, you also had a safety pin. If you want to do this in front of the TV or something, you can put a little pin through your knot and then just pin it to your jeans or to your shoelace and leave it at place right there. So the friendship bracelets we are making today is really the most basic kind, and if you can figure out how to do this friendship bracelet, you can teach yourself how to do much more advanced ones because they all use the same type of knot. So I'm going to start with the color I want first, which for me is going to be the red. And I'm going to put the red to the side, and I'm going to put all my other colors together. And I'm going to pull all the other colors straight down. I'm going to take my red, and I'm going to put it on top of it. I kind of like to think of it as the number 4. So I have my red on top of all my other colors. I'm going to put my hand inside the 4. Pull that red string out, and I'm gonna pull up to the top. And I just made my first knot. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna make my 4, put my hand inside that, pull the red string out, pull it up to the top. Again, make a 4, put your hand inside, pull it to the top. And you can see that as I do this, I am starting to get a red section of my friendship bracelet. What is very important to do when you are pulling your red string up, you need to make sure that you are pulling your other strings down. Lots of times people will make the number 4, they'll put their hand in, they'll pull the string through, and then they'll pull both strings up. That's wrong, and you're not gonna get a red knot if you do that. You're gonna pull all the others straight down, and you're gonna pull the red straight up. And you can see that I'm starting to get a red section. Once your first color, for me it's red, is as long as you would like, you can switch colors. Super easy. Take the color that you want. I'm going to take black. Pull that color to that side. Pull all your other colors down. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make a number 4 with my black string. Put my hand inside it. Pull the black out. The black string gets pulled up. The other strings get pulled down. And I just made my first black knot. So I'm going to keep going. I probably had about 10 red knots. I didn't even count. I'm doing the exact same technique. I'm making a number 4 with my black, putting my hand inside that 4, pulling the string out. All the other strings get pulled down. The black string gets pulled up. And you can see now that my black strings are making all those knots, and it is almost the same size as my red section. Maybe 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So now my black and red are the same size. I'm going to switch to another color. I'm going to do my blue. I'm going to pull my blue string to the side. I'm going to pull all my other strings down. I'm going to make a number 4. Put my fingers through the 4, pull that string out, pull the blue up and the other strings down. Just made my first blue knot. One string, the blue string is going to make a 4. Put your hand inside, grab the blue, pull the blue up while you're pulling your other strings down. Once you get the hang of it, it goes super, super fast. You just always have to remember, you are not pulling both strings up. This is wrong. You're pulling the color you want up, and the rest of the strings get pulled down. So I'm gonna go as fast as I can for this tutorial. Finish some blue. And as soon as I'm done with my blue, I'm gonna do the only color that I have not done yet, which is my yellow. So I think it's about time to switch to the yellow. So I'm gonna put my yellow to the side. Put all the other strings in the middle. Make a number 4. Pull it out. Pull that yellow up. Make a number 4. Put your hand inside the loop. Pull up the yellow. And I'm going to keep going with my yellow, making my yellow knots until it is about the same size as all the other colors. But if you want to change the sizes and make some short and some long, that is up to you. I'm going to make a pattern, so after I finish my yellow, that means my red is going to be up again, and then it is going to be black, and then it is going to be blue. And I'm going to be making this for my niece who has pretty small wrists, so I will probably have to do each color 3 or 4 times, and then it's done. So stay tuned, and I will show you the finished product. Okay, so I have been working for about the past 10 or 15 minutes, and just like I said, I did 3 sections of each color, and now my friendship bracelet is done. Can take it out of the tape, and it is ready to get tied on someone's wrist. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I would love if you guys sent me pictures of the bracelets you made.